Gerard.
All right, what's going on, my people? Welcome to the SN95 Power channel. I've been taking some L's with this car lately. When I say we, Kim and I were out cruising a couple of weekends ago, and my Mark 8 fan, well, I wasn't really a Mark 8 fan, my Mark 8 motor and blades that I had in a GT shroud had started making some horrible noises and basically gave up the ghost. I was able to limp home and remember having this Ford 500. What's up, Bryson? What's going on? Good. You gonna come out here and talk to America? So I was just telling everybody that the fan went out on this car, and I'm in the process of trying to get this fixed. So over at the Build Garage, I had this fan that I was using to basically get the overspray out of the garage, and it's a fan from a Ford 500, and it's a dual fan, and I use the Infinity controller, and it kind of works. You know, on one of these like mid 90-degree days, it will be overwhelmed by the coolant system. Can't turn on the air, so I ordered the ultimate SN95 cooling fan. Now this is kind of a mix and match setup, but let's show you one piece of it. Bryson, hand me that over here. Get that fan right there.
Looks like this mop.
Yeah, pick that up.
Oh, you need the teeth?
So this is a 12-inch fan. It's
Where do we put it?
right there. This is I got this from Jigs. It doesn't say what brand it is. Jigs did not make this fan. People speculate that it's a Meridyne fan, but this thing will move some crazy air. But yeah, we're going to get another one of these fans, and we're going to attach it to this thing, this box. So with two of these fans and this thing right here, I know people like the contour fans. I know people like the older Mark 8 fans and stuff like that, but this modern fan, two of these modern fans, lower currents, this is a 225 watt. This thing comes with some fans, but they're only 80 watts. I'm going to show you the difference between this and this. So Bryson wants to do a demonstration for y'all. So we're going to set this demonstration up. Okay, so Bryson, go ahead and grab the wires. Remember how I told you you need both hands?
And these are backwards.
Yep, that's backwards. Go ahead. No, that's right. Yep, just like that. Go ahead.
What's inside that box?
Oh, well, we're about to find out.
Help you?
No, I got it.
What do you need a
But
scissor?
you can help me take this out. Go ahead, pull this out. Lift that up. You're gonna need two hands. Pull. Pull. Alright, set it down.
Now there's two fans.
Yeah, so this is basically a eBay/Amazon fan shroud for Sn95 Mustangs. So the plan is to remove these small little 80-watt fans and put a real fan on here.
Ooh.
But Bryce, I think we should do another demonstration. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so Bryson's going to do a little demo on how these blow. So, Bryson, go ahead. Keep it on there. Keep it on there. Okay. Not bad, but I think with these aftermarket 225 watt fans, this will blow a lot harder. Gotta watch your feet. Watch your toes. Go ahead, yep. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh-oh. Huh. How did that happen?
They don't really line up.
Maybe they don't.
Yeah, it doesn't line up. So we're gonna have to figure this out. So I think we're gonna have to cut this a little, Bryson. All right, so we have our hose cut out. Now move your feet. You don't want to get cut. I say stop, you stop. Go ahead. Fantastic. Yeah, I know. All right, what's going on, my people? We are just trying to do a little stress test on this coolant system. I've been having some issues with the air conditioning on with the temperature climbing. So I'm trying a couple little things just to see how it's gonna work. But I just came outside and it looks like it's about to rain. And I barely have any gas in this car. So basically I just want to go for a quick spin because I don't have any wiper blades. Man, I had wanted to go to my man Keith. He's had his cars and coffee again today. But it looks like the rain is going to spoil that. It looks like my coolant system is good without the heat load of the air conditioning. Like, it's a really hot day out here today, y'all. I'm trying not to get caught out in the rain, and it looks like it's coming. So well, let's rewind. So I had to take some of the coolant stuff stuff off, because last year I had a coolant leak and I thought it was coming from the timing cover seal. But over the winter, I forgot to take the coolant out the system. Real cold day came. Went checked on the car. The lower radiator hose is a little bit slushy. So I basically took the timing cover off, drained all that fluid out, and put it back on. Fast forward to now, and looking mighty dark out here. I've been taking the car out, and especially at night, like I got enough cooling fans where it will keep the car cool, but really at nighttime, oh yeah, I see that rain. I think I'm about to turn this around right now. So even at nighttime, you know, the coolant temperature will get up to like almost like the 190s. And it really shouldn't. I'm breaking up somebody's wedding over there. It shouldn't get that high at nighttime. Like it really should be in the low 180s, like 182, 180. So I got a lot of stuff in front of this radiator. So I really think I'm having an issue with the radiator not needing more capacity. Because right now if I turn on the air, the fans will do the best that it can to keep the heat from climbing up with that heat load from the air conditioning, even sitting or even cruising. But I want to be able to hop in this car and turn on the air at any kind of situation. So this just tells me I need more fluid capacity. Like I said, I have the fan because right now, you know, everything is doing what it should. Timing in this car at wide open. But like right now, you know, with a turbo car, any kind of boost is going to create more heat. So the temperature will climb as I'm under boost, but as I'm get out of boost, the temperature drops. So I know I'm getting enough airflow through the car to keep it cool, but with the heat on, with the air on, it's just not cooling the car enough. So that just kind of tells me I need a bigger radiator. Like right now I'm cruising, the temperature is at 186. It'll hit down to like 184 and kind of level off there, which is great. But I turn on this air conditioning and it's going to creep up. So I'm going to look into, I really like stock radiators. You know, if I could use a stock radiator, I'd be fine. It gives you a lot of room for bigger fans up front. But it looks like I'm gonna have to go with a aluminum radiator just to get more capacity in the coolant system. Yeah, that's just a quick update. I'm starting to get some raindrops right now, so this is like perfect timing to head back home. But we'll drop another video shortly showing you the coolant setup I have. And hopefully we'll get this straightened out where it can be 96 degrees outside and I can have the heat on. I mean, I keep saying the heat. And I can have the air on and it won't affect the car staying cool. So leave a comment down below. Tell me your coolant setup. Like I said, the next video I drop will be a little bit more description about the coolant setup that's on the car right now. So, hey, I appreciate y'all rocking me with this video. Until next time, God bless.